This is an introductory video on how to use the Add Shape tool. It's very simple, very easy to use, but it does require some practice because it is part art as far as getting sort of the look and feel of it down. So all we're going to do is go up to the Add Shape tool, and I'm going to select the small attachment. That's my favorite attachment to actually use. Then now I'm going to just simply left click on the tooth I want to apply that attachment to. I'm going to just select this central incisor here. I've clicked on that tooth, and that you can see now it's brought the geometry in on top of that tooth, and we have the ability now to rotate, to bodily move the attachment in any direction we want with these outside arrows here and then the circle here to rotate. These inner arrows here allow you to resize and reshape the attachment itself. Okay, so this gives you really unlimited freedom in terms of the size and shape of attachments you want to use. Now, I'll rotate up from the occlusal here. From this perspective here, you can grab the large arrow here and submerge it into the tooth. You just have to make sure that you submerge the attachment into the tooth, otherwise it will not stick to the tooth when it's 3D printed. So you have to submerge it in the tooth. Doesn't matter how much, just must be completely submerged into the tooth. You can see here that because the size of the attachment, it's actually coming out on the other side. That's okay. I can go ahead and just reshape it like this and then bring it back out to the right place. Okay. Now, you can do anything. There's different sizes, so we could do a we'll go to large size. We'll put this on the cuspid. You can see that this is a much larger size. There is a round shape here. And then there's also what we call a browse STL. And what that does is that allows you to import any STL file you want and submerge it, or impose it over the digital tooth data and then 3D print that, or really gives you unlimited options as far as what you can do with the software. Okay, so hopefully this is helpful. This is just a real brief introductory video. The second video goes in a little more detail on how we actually use the attachments in terms of the biomechanics and the forces applied. Okay, hopefully this is helpful, and have fun.